Here's the effect we'll be learning today. You can apply this to any object in Blender. First step, keep the cube. Add a subdivision surface modifier and change it to simple. Make the subdivisions 3 for both the render and the viewport. Add a build modifier. Checkmark reversed and randomized. And you're already done. But let's do a little bit more. Add a plane. Make it bigger. Give it a shader. This one is a simple gray. Select the cube and go to the shading tab. This one isn't so simple. Drop a mix shader in and then plug it into a new emission shader. Scoot it. Under input, add a geometry node. Under converter, add a color ramp. Connect back facing to the factor of the color ramp and the color ramp to the emission. Now give it a good strength and pick the color in the color ramp node. Make sure to apply these options for Eevee. If you want to get crazy, copy the build modifier on the cube, uncheck reversed, and change the start and end times so they're applied in order. Boom!